Welcome to Traders Cockpit. In this video, we will learn how can we create our own watch list and how we can manage our watch list group. So we can also make watch list group which will be further useful when we create a specific custom screener and run our screener. So in this video, we will only see how to make the watch list and watch list group. So when you log into the website, you see this page. Just go to my cockpit and click on my watch list. When you click on my watch list, this page opens. So you can see here, either you can add a specific stock in the watch list, else you can add all the stocks from a particular index. So first you can see here written symbol. So here you have to search the stock that you want to add. So I typed Tata. So I am adding Tata LXC. And you have to click on add to watch list and this stock will be added in the watch list. Add to watch list. Now I want to add all the Nifty 50 stocks. So I don't have time to add them one by one. So you have to click on list of indices. You can see the inverted triangle symbol. Click on that. Select Nifty 50 and then click on add all symbols to watch list. Just a single click and all the 50 stocks are added in my watch list. So let us refresh this page in order to get the updated data. So you can see all the 50 stocks are added. Now we will learn how to manage our watch list group. So click here where written manage watch list group and this page opens. So these are some watch list groups that are already created from my account. I will show you how to create one. So you can see create watch list group name, any name that you want. So I want to give 15th April. Today is 15th April. So I named it 15th April. So you can see here you have added some stocks in your watch list. From there we will transfer them into a specific watch list group. So if you want to select a single stock, click on that and then click on this arrow that is headed right side because you are transferring from your watch list to a specific watch list group. So you have selected your stock. Now click on this arrow and you can see this stock came in this particular group. Now I don't want that one by one. So you can select all the stocks that you want to transfer and similarly just click on that arrow and all those stocks will be added and click on create group. When you click on create group, you can see now 15th April watchlist group got updated. Now if you wish to delete, you can just click on delete. It will tell you do you want to delete this watchlist group or not. If you click on OK, it will get deleted. So in this way you can create as many watchlist group as you want. And if you want to edit or view, so just click on edit or view and from here you can transfer them back to your watch list. So you can see if you wish that I don't want Bajaj Finance in this list anymore. So click on Bajaj Finance, select that stock and the reverse arrow, the arrow heading left side, just click on that. It will again come back to your watch list. It will not be there in your watch list group anymore. And update group. So click on update group and update it. Now in 15th April watch list group you only have 5 stocks as you remove the Bajaj Finance stock. So that's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can put them in the comment section. So you can practice this. You can create your own watch list by logging into the website. And the registration, if you don't have registration, the link to our website is also given in the description box. Please do the registration.